Hello everyone, so super quick overview of templates in TikTok. So just tap on the plus icon here and then on the right you can see templates. So you can select different templates here, different sounds, and basically create cool TikTok videos just from your photos. So just go to your photos, just select like from 2 photos up to like 5 or 10, select multiple and then press OK in bottom right, and then you will have a kind of cool video. Of course it goes with sound, but I just didn't include the sound here, but that's super cool way. So yeah, just try it out. Something like that. There are plenty of other templates, so feel free to just browse around and create some cool TikToks.